Hi students, this is Prakash Paul sir. Today we are going to do Maths 1, exercise 2.1. Before exercise 2.1, I am going to explain you about the linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial, the difference between it. Uh, the reason behind to start with chapter 2 of Maths 1 is that chapter 1 we have already done in standard 9. So I am started with chapter 2 Maths 1. So before starting, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to share this as much as possible so that the thousands of students should get benefited, which are at home right now and they want to study really from the bottom of their heart. So let us start with exercise 2.1 Maths 1. So chapter 2 quadratic equation of Maths 1. So quadratic equation has a general form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the general form of the quadratic equation in the variable x. So where x is the variable. So example of this is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x square minus x minus 10 is equal to 0, and one more example we can say y square minus 9 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation may or may not have middle term y or x, but its general form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x term, and c is pure number. That means it does not have a variable x or y, so c is the constant, means it's a number. Now, how to classify the following polynomials into linear and quadratic polynomial? Now here we see that the given equation has a general form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, those polynomials having 2 as the highest degree, see here 2 is the highest degree, here there is 1, x raised to nothing means x raised to 1. See, remember once again, listen carefully, x raised to 1, x raised to nothing means 1. Here it is 1, we can take 1. If we don't write, no problem. Here we have not written it, no problem. So it has a degree 1, it has a degree 2, it also has a degree 1, but it has a degree 2, and here also it has a degree 2. So those polynomials from this, among this, which has a degree 2 has the highest power, that we are going to write it under quadratic polynomial. And those polynomials which have the highest power x raised to 1 or x raised to nothing, that we are going to write it under linear polynomial. So I have written the answers. Linear polynomial which has a degree x raised to 1, that I have written it under linear polynomial, and these are the polynomials which has the highest degree power 2. So these are the quadratic polynomials. I hope so we have understood. So let's move further to solve exercise 2.1. So the very first question of practice set 2.1 is write any two quadratic equations. So here we are going to write the same answer from these three equations, or else we can write the answer of your own. So here if I change the numbers coefficient, it may be the another example. So I am writing the second example as same, 3x square minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. This I have copied from here. So another example I can give it as on my own is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this you can write it on your own. You can write any one more example if I choose, is that it can be x square 9x square minus 81 is equal to 0. This has a middle term x, this also has a middle term x, but this example does not have middle term x, though it is a quadratic equation. Remember, this is also a quadratic equation. So question number 2 is decide whether the following are quadratic equations or not. So as I have explained here, that quadratic polynomial are those polynomials which has a highest degree, that is 2. So on the basis of this, we can say that question number 1, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 contains highest power, that is highest degree 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. So question number 2, this we have to rearrange and write it in the form of 0. Actually no need, but then also if I rearrange it, so y square equal to 5y, take this 5y to the left hand side, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side part, which we can differentiate by equal to sign, which is left hand side of equal to sign, it is left hand side. The term which is on the right hand side of the equal to sign, that is right hand side. If I take 5y to the left hand side, it will be plus 5 becomes minus 5y, and same way minus 10, if we take it to the left hand side, it will become plus 10. And now nothing is remained here because this is gone here, this is also gone to the left hand side, so it will be equal to 0. And now if we see, the highest degree is 2, though it contains the degree y raised to 1, but the highest degree is 2, therefore this is also a quadratic equation. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. So now moving on to example number 6, if we see both the sides there are m cube terms, so bringing all the terms to the left hand side, then solving it, then seeing whether the highest degree is 2 or not, then we are going to decide whether that it is a quadratic equation or not. So let us first take this term to the left hand side. So now if I write it m cube, the same here, now bringing this 3m cube to the left hand side, so plus 3m cube will become minus 3m cube, and this if we write it to the left hand side, same side we are going to write, so no sign change, plus 3m square will remain the same, plus 3m square minus 2 will remain the same, and this term has already gone to the left hand side, so here there is nothing remaining, so it is 0. So now if we see, if we solve these two terms, because it has a power, highest power, that is 3, m raised to 3, power is 3, so if we solve this plus minus, we are going to subtract it, 3 minus 1 is 2m cube, and then putting the sign of the bigger number, here it is 1 and here it is 3, putting the sign of bigger number, 3 has a highest is the biggest number and its sign is minus, put the sign of the bigger number, so we are going to put it minus, plus 3m cube m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So this has a highest power 3, that means it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. So the first one is yes, it is a quadratic equation. Second one, after rearranging, again yes, it is a quadratic equation. Question number 6, after rearranging and solving, no, it is not a quadratic equation. Moving on to question number 3, if we cross multiply this, if I cross multiply this, you can see that y square into y is y cube, plus 1 y is 1 upon, here it is 1 y is y is equal to 2. So we see that this has a highest degree 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. So no, it is not a quadratic equation. But if I solve this question number 4, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2, again cross multiplying in this manner, so we get it as x into x is x square plus 1 is 1 upon x is x. I told you can consider here as 1, so that's equal to minus 2. if I solve this further, it was not solving further. So here we are going to solve it, because here the highest power is 2 and we can see that it may be quadratic equation, but we are going to first solve it. So again, if I cross multiply this, again if I consider this as 1, x square plus 1, 1 is same, x square plus 1 equals to minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x. And if I take this minus 2 to the left hand side, it will be x square minus 2x will come to the left hand side and it will become plus 2x, and this plus 1 we have to shift it towards little bit towards the right, and this side is not changed, so that's why plus 1 will remain plus 1, x square will remain x square because side is not changed, but this right hand side term minus 2x has come to left hand side, therefore its sign is changed. Now right hand side there is nothing, so we are going to write it 0. So now we see that it has a highest degree 2, so now yes, it is a quadratic equation.